Hello, my name is Ellie from Seaford MG, and today I'm going to show you around this Hyundai i10 Premium in metallic silver with great low mileage of just 36,882. Being the premium model, this car comes with plenty of great features, including the alloy wheels, the black and blue interior with side door inserts. This car also features Bluetooth connectivity and other media connections, and also the cruise control and speed limiter as well. This car will come with a 6-month warranty and MOT until September 2022 to give you that full peace of mind. If you do have any other questions about the car or would like a personalised video or to make an appointment, please feel free to visit our website or give us a call on 01323 898818.